Namaste. My name's Gayatri. 27 years ago, I was a stressed, anxious person. I was very unhappy with my life and the way it was going. It wasn't going according to plan. And I went along to a meditation class, and that meditation class changed my life. By applying regular meditation in my life, I have now become so peaceful, happy, and fulfilled within that I am wanting to pass this process, this wonderful meditation process, on to others so that they can receive the benefits that I have. So if you've ever wanted to learn to meditate, or maybe you haven't even thought about it, but it's a good idea, it actually transforms your life for the better. So this Saturday, the 25th of April, I'm going to be teaching a Learn to Meditate workshop online. In this workshop, you're going to learn a number of different breathing techniques, which is also known as pranayama. We're going to do some mantra breathing, where we add a mantra to our breath. We'll be practicing some mindfulness, learning about being more aware. We're going to learn about meditation on beats, japa meditation, and some kirtan, which is the singing of sacred mantras, yoga mantras. And we're also going to be learning a little bit about yoga wisdom, and that will help us to understand how the meditation works and why it works. You can come from anywhere around the world. Everybody's welcome. Just click on the link below, and that will take you to Eventbrite, where you can get your free ticket. And we'll send you a link to our Zoom meeting. And it's a very interactive meeting where you can ask questions, and I'll endeavour to answer those questions. So I hope you can join us and transform your life through meditation this Saturday from 2 till 3:30. Namaste.